So I was out for a little ride right now at nighttime. I knew it was gonna rain, but I didn't think it was gonna start raining this soon. It was only like 8 o'clock right now. And it starts pouring hard. Well, harder than it usually does. Because it doesn't rain much here. So, this is what it's like to ride in the rain. And in the nighttime. Should have worn my hi-viz helmet. But yeah, so since it just started raining, I gotta make sure to ride a little more cautiously because of the oils that are barely coming off of the road. And helmet visors should have automatic wipers. I almost died there. Should have put my light. Automatic wipers, because the rain doesn't wipe off as fast as I would like them to. Yeah, no, I should get rainproof pants. That's the only thing that I don't have that's waterproof. So my pants are getting soaked. And that's one important thing. I think I mentioned it in my hot weather riding video. Same goes for cold weather riding. That... the hell is he doing? Yeah, I don't know what that guy was doing. Same goes with cold weather riding. If you have the right gear on, like, you have to make sure that you're comfortable, because if you're too hot, you're not going to be comfortable. If you're too cold, actually I should go this way. And why the hell did I put my visor up? If you're too cold, you're not going to be able to ride well. Same thing if you're too hot in hot weather. So always wear the appropriate gear for the appropriate situation. Like right now, I'm not super cold, but waterproof pants would be nice. I think these leather gloves are semi-waterproof. And I switched out the frame housing I had on the front of my helmet for the blackout housing. Since I still haven't patched it up, I was like, oh, I might as well use that. Since I was thinking it was gonna rain, which it did. So now I have to hop onto the freeway back home. And I gotta ride super careful. I've actually never ridden in this much rain before. It rained last time when I was on my scooter. Last year. But it wasn't like this. And I know I'm probably being a baby. There's places that get snow and rain and you guys still ride. Yeah, but I'm not used to it, so. Here we go. And these are new tires too. Definitely a lot scarier. Especially when cars like this one don't have their headlights on. They're almost invisible. Yeah, always make sure you're wearing the proper gear. So the only place I feel any, I wouldn't say discomfort, I mean that I could feel that it's colder than it should be is my pants right now. See, it is actually now pouring really hard. And of course there's your first accident. Oh, and it's Halloween, by the way, so everyone is either out trick-or-treating or driving to go to a Halloween party. And I bet that many people are already not driving sober or driving drunk, I'm sure, which is also bad. I think I'm almost home. And the freeway portion is done. And it looks like it's stopped raining. So that is our rainy weather here in LA. Rains for 5 minutes and that's it. But it was pouring. So maybe just like a little cloud just going through here. Either way, it was still annoying because now I'm soaked. Well, at least for my pants. Bet you all these people are all like, what the hell's this guy crazy on his bike? And they're all comfortable in their car with their heater. But it's cool, I ride rain or shine. Doesn't stop me. Yeah, so when riding in the rain, you gotta be really careful, especially in like the first 10 minutes when it begins to rain, because the oils on the road make the road slippier, more slippery, whatever, however you say that. And of course, all the painted lines become like death traps. Those are like, they're super slick, barely even you get any traction on those. Like, so all these white painted lines, even the center lines and stuff, all those are like super slippery. Actually, I want to see what it feels like. Oh, yeah. They are actually more slippery than they should be. So yeah, so don't step on those. And also manhole covers, all that just loses all grip. Railroad tracks. Yeah, so you just have to be more aware than we normally are. And preferably, when it's raining, it usually does get dark. Well, right now it's nighttime, so it doesn't help either, but it will always be cloudy or something. So wearing hi-viz gear always helps too. So yeah, stay safe everybody.